If you're looking for smart and useful products, then this video is for you. Discover the best cooling PC cases. Before you buy any Airflow Mesh PC cases, you need to see this. In this video, I found the best Airflow Mesh PC cases of 2026 based on real performance, quality, and value for money. I spent hours researching, comparing features, prices, and real user reviews so you can pick the perfect one without wasting time or money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And for more honest no-fluff tech reviews, make sure to hit subscribe. Let's get started. Starting strong at number 1, we have the Mustex Type-C Mid-Tower Computer Case. This striking K2 gaming case offers a breathtaking 270-degree hardware view through dual-tempered glass panels, transforming your computer into a stunning gallery-style showpiece. It arrives pre-configured with 6 high-performance PWM RGB fans, delivering immense cooling power alongside customizable lighting effects managed via your motherboard. The interior design is exceptionally roomy, comfortably housing massive 420mm graphics cards and large top-mounted 360mm liquid cooling radiators for extreme builds. Keeping your internal build pristine is effortless thanks to magnetic dust filters and an optimized internal air duct system that prevents dust buildup. With its modern Type-C port and sharp rectangular profile, this case blends premium high-end aesthetics with the practical connectivity required for next-gen workstations. Moving on to number 2, here's a solid choice: the NZXT Compact ATX Mid-Tower PC Case. This high-performance chassis is purpose-built to maximize liquid cooling potential, featuring ample clearance for a 360mm front radiator and a 240mm top radiator within its sleek frame. A standout feature is the perforated PSU shroud, which allows two 120mm fans to push fresh air directly into the graphics card for better thermal stability. The ultrafine mesh panels on the top, front, and sides provide high-velocity airflow while acting as effective barriers against unwanted dust accumulation. Cable organization is simplified through wide routing channels and sturdy integrated hooks that easily manage even the bulkiest power cables. Delivered with 2 silent 120mm fans, this case offers an excellent thermal foundation for enthusiasts planning complex custom cooling loops or high-end gaming rigs. At number 3, we're looking at a powerful option: the Fractal Design Mid-Tower PC Case. This sophisticated chassis redefines modern gaming aesthetics by incorporating sustainably sourced oak or walnut panels paired with elegant alloy accents for a furniture-like feel. It offers remarkable hardware flexibility, supporting everything from compact IDX to full ATX motherboards while maintaining cool temperatures through high-efficiency open-front mesh panels. Builders will appreciate the generous internal layout that fits GPUs up to 355mm, supplemented by 2 pre-installed 140mm aspect PWM fans for immediate heat dissipation. The fine patterned mesh on the side and top panels ensures a quiet yet ventilated environment where your high-end hardware can safely flourish without overheating. Featuring 7 bridgeless expansion slots, this case delivers heavy-duty professional performance wrapped in a truly unique and organic designer aesthetic. Coming in at number 4, this one really stands out: the Gamdia's ATX Mid-Tower Computer PC Case. The snowy white Talos E3 mesh stands out as a premium choice for builders desiring an elegant, compact mid-tower with superior thermal properties. It includes 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans that illuminate your build through a panoramic tempered glass side panel for a stunning visual experience. A built-in PSU shroud is included to hide messy cables, ensuring your internal layout looks exceptionally clean and professional from every possible angle. The front mesh panel is specifically optimized for high-speed airflow, which is vital for keeping high-performance components running smoothly during long, intense gaming sessions. With convenient one-click lighting synchronization, you can easily unify your system's look, creating a functional and visually impressive base for any custom desktop rig. And taking the top spot at number 5, we have the Height ATX Mid-Tower Gaming PC Case. Engineered for users who prioritize extreme thermal management, this case features a specialized micro-mesh front panel for low-pressure intake with minimal air resistance. The rear section utilizes unique louvered blades to cut through hot exhaust air, significantly lowering thermal impedance while increasing the chassis overall structural strength and durability. A top-mounted structural PSU canopy provides a massive cable management advantage, utilizing built-in Velcro straps to keep internal wiring incredibly tidy and well-organized. High-power graphics cards benefit from direct, targeted airflow provided by the bottom-mounted fans, ensuring stability during the most demanding processing or gaming tasks. Every design element, from the curved mesh panels to the dedicated airflow channels, works together to maximize long-term component efficiency and system reliability. And that's it for today. If this video helped you find the perfect product, don't forget to hit the like button, it really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on amazing gadgets, smart reviews, and hidden tech deals. Got any questions or want a specific product reviewed? Drop it in the comments, we read every single one. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.